Hello, what is up? It's been like maybe 2 or 3 weeks, or maybe even a month, depending on what time I upload this, since I have moved in. I'm all moved in. I've gone to classes. There will be a room tour coming up soon, and there will be me vlogging classes coming up soon. But I really have to get this video out. And I was stupid not to film an intro. So hello, what is up? The video that you are about to watch is going to be a video of me moving in to my college. If you don't know where I go to college, I go to Radford University. I'm studying theater. I'm a performing arts major. Okay, I hope that you enjoy the video. Okay, bye. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Most of this is gonna be voiceover, but this is a clip of me riding in the car, beginning our trip to go to the college, and I'm just like chilling. This is my mom and my grandma because they both decided to take on the great task of driving me up to Radford, and it was so fun, and I look so cute. This is my mom driving the minivan. My mom hates minivans, so she does not like the fact that I took pictures of her driving the minivan. So that's why she looks like that in that video picture. Yeah, I heard something fall. It was like, it sounded like it crashed and broke.
It sure did. A crash. And it sounded like it came from that side, but nothing fell.
Yeah, nothing fell on that side.
It's nothing behind you.
No, we're gonna find out as soon as we get to the college. We're gonna find out as soon as we get to the college. It's still things falling apart. I just can't believe that mom smacked grandma in the face with the windshield wiper in the back.
So I don't know what that was. But
So my grandma was checking that, and mom smacked her in the face with that. It was really funny.
I don't know what that is.
So, if you're wondering, in that last clip, we actually did find out what fell. It was one of my medical boxes that had fell that my mom got me. So we're just driving around in this clip. We're just going to the U-Haul place because I forgot that my school said that we had to bring our own dollies. So we went to U-Haul and we ended up having to actually buy a dolly. So that was fun. So, this is where the road trip actually starts. I'm sorry, there's a plane going by, but this is where the road trip actually starts. You can see the sun starting to come out, and it did eventually stop raining. It was very gloomy that morning, and it was raining, but yeah, we're not even 30 minutes away from my house, and you know, it was already starting to get plain and stuff. Speaking of planes, sir, plane, can you please stop making all this noise? I'm trying to do a voiceover. Thank you very much. Anyway, we're just driving by all these nice houses, and my mom, she kind of wants to live in like a secluded area like this, so she kind of enjoyed it. And my grandma stopped at Sheetz. She got some coffee, and we were all chilling, and it was a good time. I heavily enjoyed them driving me up there, and now we are actually in the mountains. We like jumped a bunch, but this is where we are, all the way in the mountains. I think that we are still about maybe an hour and a half out from the school, and that's me looking all cute and funny. I really thought I was doing something, but my mom and my grandma were talking, and I was just recording, trying to get all the scenery. This is Liberty University. Oh my gosh, this campus is so freaking big. Like, you'll never believe it. But it is an all-Christian college in Virginia, but that is a huge campus, and now we are back on the road, still recording, so I'm gonna let it montage.
Glad you understand why you can't be with Flame Princess.
Bubblegum, I can't do this anymore!
What?
Now you like me?
Finn, what are you talking about?
What am I talking about? Peony, I was in love with you!
And I wish I could stay like this with you, but
I know, Princess.
Finn? Jake, where's Finn? Is he with Flame Princess?
Back off, Bubblegum. That's his man's biz.
Is he with her or not?
just having fun like a family does, 3 generations, you know. And all of a sudden, we ran into a puppy bus, which is just like a bus like that people ride in, but like it's for dogs. So I enjoyed looking at the puppy bus, and I'm just getting some environmental shots because I believe that it looks really, really nice and fun. And it's very green outside. It was very sunny that day, even though it started off rainy. It turned out being very sunny. This is me doing some homework for my theater aesthetics class. I had to read 3 plays, and this is one of the plays. I was just highlighting character names. You know that this would not be a good YouTube video vlog college movement if I didn't show some b-roll of me sleeping. So yes, I did record myself sleeping, and do I feel a little bit weird watching myself sleep? Yeah, I do, but you're even weirder for watching me sleep instead of skipping to the next time where I'm awake. So we're both a little weird here, but yeah, I'm just sleeping. I slept for a good maybe hour and a half. And you can see my eye open to see if I'm recording. Oh my gosh, I'm hilarious. Sheets for like a bathroom break. I got some coffee, and that's me drinking my coffee. We're driving once again, and everybody's talking. It looks like a really good time. We're still up in the mountains, and I think my ears might have popped like 3 or 4 times. Can I keep my tongue in my mouth? Like, not every post has to have a tongue out picture. Anyway, yeah. We ran into another puppy bus, and I thought that was pretty cool. And we followed this like puppy bus for a long time. I never thought that we were gonna shake the puppy bus, and yeah, it's just a really cute bus full of puppies. This is us getting to the college, so enjoy the sounds of happiness.
It took my breath away.
I know.
So
In a quarter of a mile,
you're gonna have.
turn left on East Main Street.
So this is my mom at the car dealership looking at the minivan. As you can tell, you could see like the complete and utter disgust in her face when she saw that she was getting a minivan, because for whatever reason, my mom absolutely hates minivans. I gotta miss that van because that van was so big and comfortable and nice, and you could fold back the back seats and just we made a lot of room for all my stuff, so we didn't have to make multiple trips out of multiple cars. But here she is stepping into the car and enjoying it, and her just testing out the car. And I'm telling you, this car is actually a nice car. It was very roomy. I could get my own AC back there. She could have her AC. We got on the radio. It was very roomy in there, as you saw from the last few clips. There was a lot of stuff that I could fit in there. I had like maybe 7, 8, maybe 9 boxes full of stuff for college, and it all fit in that one van and a dolly. This is me at home with the van, so you can see how big it is. I'm just doing a major photo shoot for whatever reason. I don't really know why. I also kind of look like a little boy, but you know what? I look like a cute little boy. I don't know why I'm wearing that VCU shirt. I think I got it from one of the college fairs, which is weird because, like, I don't know why. This is my mom coming home, driving the minivan, and that's me in the reflection recording her. And I'm sorry if you're blinded by the sun, because I never noticed that the sun was reflecting off the metal like that brightly. So yeah, she's just enjoying the car and she's acting like a celebrity. She's like, I don't want to be associated with this van. Don't you take a picture of me or record me. On the other side is my little sister Valana, and we were just tormenting her with the recording. Here's me from the ankles up, just posing in the car, looking like a cool person. My mom's still covering up her face. I don't mean to laugh. This is some more pictures of me in that VCU shirt. I still don't know why I was wearing it. I don't even like VCU as a college anymore. I prefer Radford. It's a good school. But yeah, I'm wearing it, and I still look like a little boy. I have the twist in my hair just because of the way that my hair is set up right now. I don't know how else to style it. But if you have reached the end of this video, thank you. I love you. Have a great day. Mwah.
I got your girl on panic. Iced out my wrist Titanic. Like 2-1, I'm on my savage. No airport, but